Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I got two really cool stash ads today thanks to my brother. A friend of his had these and he passed away, so my brother, he got them, and it's been several years that he's had them. He's never built them, so they're still in the wrapper, and he asked me if I wanted them. So I said, of course. So we got a Illinois State Police Dodge Charger Lindbergh kit. This will be my first Lindbergh car model kit that I can ever remember building. So that'll be pretty damn cool. I don't know if it's got, oh, on the back side it does, okay. It's got 124 scale, pre-painted plastic body, pre-painted light bar. Oh wow, that's cool. That's definitely different. Cool. Well, I don't have to worry about painting it, I guess. Yeah, that ought to be a neat one. Skill level 2. But yeah, that's a pretty dang neat kit. And then this one, I picked it up and I said to my brother, I said, damn, that thing's heavy. He goes, yeah. Well, come to find out, it's a tester's kit that you can do one of 3 different ways. And I was looking at it, and it is a all metal body. The doors open, hood opens, etc. So that one's going to be pretty cool. I was really surprised when it said metal body, but yeah, metal body model kit. That's cool. And what it says right on the front of it, I guess if I'd look at it, metal body model kit. Now, I wonder if that's in primer or if it's already painted. Oh, pre-painted. Pre-painted body, minimal gluing, no painting required, all parts screw or snap together, unassembled metal body with plastic parts. Well, that's cool. 124 scale. Doesn't say how many parts are in it that I can see, but that's pretty dang cool one way or the other. So yeah, that's going to be a neat one to build along with. And I don't know, man, there's NYPD, but then there's also Chicago PD. So I really like that TV show, Chicago PD. So I may do that. I don't know. We'll see. Whatever one I do, it's got to have the push bar on the front. That's just a must. But yeah, so a couple of pretty cool model kit stash ads here, and definitely wasn't expecting those today, but yeah, they're definitely gonna be fun. So I got a few kits going right now, nothing real major. Just got the Ford tri-motor is almost done. I'm making exhaust pipes on it, and got to glue the windshield in, and that'll be done. But other than that, that's about it. So now it's just a deal trying to figure out what else I want to build next. And then with RC season being here, that's going to take a lot of my time right there. So, but okay, guys. Well, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And guys, stay tuned for more cool stuff to come. Take care, guys. Thanks. Bye.